Assalamu alaikum and a very warm good morning to all of you. First of all, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to Global Spoken English for providing us with a wonderful platform to enlighten our brains and develop our personalities. I am Parveen Jahan. I am from Kopagan. Today, I am standing before you to deliver an interesting speech. This topic it can help you in your life. So my topic is instead on it. Make a decision, make a thought. Are you resolved? Are you firm resolve in your mind? Then see why will you can win? It is also said that where there is a will, there is a way. I conclude my speech. Thank you for listening to me.